Okay, today we're going to be making a boomerang. All you'll need is some 6 craft sticks, some Scotch tape, a rubber band, and some scissors. You'll also need a pencil. Let me go grab it. Just kidding me. Okay, I got my pencil ready. So all you're going to have to do, we're just making a 2-bladed one. So sit the other 4 to the left. So what you're going to do is hold one perfectly straight. You're going to take this one just like this one and place it just like that. And you're going to just equal it out just a little bit, just like that. So then you're going to take your Scotch tape and add some tape around it just like that. And now you're just going to flip it over and tape the other side. And remember, if your boomerang doesn't come back, I'll show you how to make it at the end. Just let me show you how to make this boomerang. And if you have any excess, cut it off. Boom. Now we made the 2-bladed. Now I'm going to make a 4-bladed. So all you'll need is 4 craft sticks. So you're going to put 2 down. You're going to layer them out just like this. You're going to tape them. Make sure they're perfectly straight and you're going to tape them. I use Scotch tape because I find it's better for making stuff like this. And because it's a little bit stronger. So you're just gonna tape these. Well, it's actually kind of hard to get these to line up. So now you're just gonna, wait, this one is kind of curving, straight. Boom. Now I got it perfectly straight. Now you're just gonna tape them all together. Now you're gonna tape this one just perfectly straight. Now you're just going to add this one. Because when you're making boomerangs out of craft sticks, see how it's straight? Now, if yours is a little bit curved, you can turn it. Now, you're just going to take these 2 like this. And then we're going to tape these 2 together, then use the rubber band to actually do the stuff. Since this, I think this actually might work. If I just made this perfectly, I think this might actually work. So let me just put them both together and see if they work. And remember, when you're always doing it, you want to get in the edges of the tape to do this. Now you're going to take them and you're going to tape them together. These will be kind of big boomerang, but just do this perfectly. So when you heard it, it's an X and it's a T. That's what you want it to be. So now just add some tape just like that. And now you made them. Now you made the 2 origami boomerangs. But when we throw this one, these 2 sticks will come off. So we need something a little bit stronger than tape. So we're going to use this rubber band. We're going to round around this. You're just going to twist it so there's an X on this front side. Well, if I can even get it. But it's okay if yours doesn't come back. It does take a few tries to actually get it to actually come back. I know when I first made this, that took me a few hours to get it to actually came back. My first ones, they did not actually work. But this one, I think I just made it perfect. Just let me just twist this if I even can. Without actually twisting these rubber bands. You know, it's one of those big kinds. Now you're just gonna, whoops. Now you're just gonna make it go over just like, whoops, that ain't working, crap. That ain't working. Oh wait, you had to do it like that. Now you're just gonna go through this one, and now you went through that one, and see how there's still an X? Now, with this, whoops, I made the X come off, crap. And now you made the X again. What, crap, this X keeps coming off. Wait, I'm gonna redo it because somehow this ain't working. So I don't know why, because all the other ones, they worked. So you're just gonna do that. Maybe I'll need a smaller. I might need one. So let me go get one. And see, definitely. I'll be right back. Okay, I got my rubber band from my little crafting bag over there. So now I'm gonna actually show y'all. So y'all now actually gonna twist the rubber band, and I think go through this one. And now y'all have an X. You're just gonna twist it behind this to also recreate another X. Like, let me just give me a second to see if I even can get this. Yes, got it perfectly. Now I just need to tie this. Okay, now y'all have 2 X's on both. Now y'all have 2 X's. You're just gonna go outside and go through these. So if it's raining at your house, wait till tomorrow that you make your boomerang. But let me go throw it outside. So come on, and let's go outside and go through these. I wonder how they will watch it work. I bet they'll probably come back. But there's only one way to find out. Let's go and go test out my boomerangs. So let's go see if they come back. I wonder, I actually do not know because I just made these. So I don't know if they will come back, but let's see. So let me put y'all right here and show y'all. So first we're gonna start with the 2-bladed. You just go harder like this and like that. So let's see. There's a break. Oh crap. Well, this broke. Crap, this 2-bladed one broke. But let's test out this 3-bladed. I made 4. Yep, that's definitely a seed.